Hey Facebook! So today my friend Maria is here and we're going to be making some Jamaican Easter bun. I'm going to be walking her through the recipe and all the ingredients, and she's going to be doing the baking today. So welcome, and don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family before Easter. Alright, so these, Maria, tell them about the ingredients that we're using. You have the flour there.
Yes, we've got flour, we've got some, is this margarine or butter? Margarine, sugar, honey. We have some, this is a mixture of baking powder and soda, salt, mixed spices, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And we've got eggs over here. And we've got cherries to make it pretty. And this is the zest of the orange that we're gonna use. And then we've got some other currants. All right. Oh, we got this to strawberry. I don't know what we use this for.
It's gonna go in the liquid mixture.
And
we have molasses, vanilla. We have our Jamaican grace browning, and our honey. Can't make the bun without the honey.
Okay.
All right. And we're gonna, we're gonna add a little appleton. It's not the authentic way, but it's our way. So we're gonna add some. Yeah, we're gonna add a little red label wine, which is already in the fruits, and and we're gonna add our appleton.
And we've got some stout, some Malta, and some dragon stout. Big up, dragon. This look different. It
looks slightly different.
Yeah. All right, let's go. So we're adding a half cup of honey right here. We're gonna soften the butter just a little, and then we'll add it to our liquid mixture.
Now we're just gonna add our sugar.
And now we're adding a half cup of strawberry jam.
Yeah, you can use whatever. You can use guava jelly, whichever one you have at home. Grape jelly works as well.
Oh, nice. Strawberry definitely for me. And this is the last thing we're gonna add to our liquid mixture, 3 tablespoons of vanilla.
Guys, don't allow your liquid mixture to boil. It's just supposed to be hot enough just to melt all the ingredients.
Ready? Now we are adding our salt, raising agent, and our spices. We sift all our dry ingredients. We're incorporating air, right? Is that the only thing we do when we sift?
Removing lumps and that's all.
And remove lumps. See, one thing we remember is incorporating air. So now our butter, sugar, the jam, everything we've put in our liquid mixture has dissolved. So we are going to turn this off and put it aside to cool. And now I'm adding 4 tablespoons of molasses. There you go. 3 tablespoons of browning. Alright, so 2.5. We don't want it too brown. Orange zest. And whisking it into our eggs. Okay. And now we add the eggs. Ta-da! Add in flour 1 cup at a time. Soaked raisins in red label wine. That's what this is. Okay. And now we add
some cherries.
When is Easter? And that is April 5th. Yes. How much? Just a little spirit?
Yeah, your desired amount.
Okay.
Your desired amount.
Alright, that's good.
Add a little more, man.
More? Yes, more. Okay.
Now it's time to bake. Mine here catch a fire.
Alright. How long? Oh,
About
wait.
1 and 15 minutes.
minute
Oh,
taste.
she have her sample.
I'm gonna sample. Perfect buns! Yay!
Turn, give them a 360. Why not drop them?
They're good. They're balanced. Thank you, Marcy, and thanks for watching, guys. Happy Easter!
Don't forget to share.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Filming